Okay, so hello guys, my name is Prashant Singh and I have secured AIR 377 in GATE 2018. So first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank to the entire Rodra Foundation and especially to the Ravi sir for their lot of endeavor that he has put into my preparation. So the endeavor that he has put is really unparalleled, so there's nothing in parallel that I can explain. So coming to the video lectures of Raveen sir, I must say that for me the video lectures were really awesome. It were really helpful for me. So the beauty of his video lectures that he will start from the very basics. So he will assume that even if you don't know anything in the beginning, then there will be no problem for you. You will easily get in sync with the lectures, and he will gradually gear up and take you to the advanced level. And by the end, when you are done with the subject, then most probably you will be able to solve 80 to 90% of the question from that subject, and that is more than sufficient to get a very good rank, like under 100 rank in GATE. So yeah, the way the approach that he take in order to deliver the concepts is really grateful. So now coming to the second crucial part of this preparation phase, that the test series. So test series also plays a very crucial part, so you should take care of that. You have you'll be very honest with the test series, and after attempting all the tests, you should be going to do a proper analysis of your test. Be honest with your the performance. And if I talk about the test series provided by Ravi sir, honestly speaking, it is bit tougher as what we expect in GATE, but that was intentionally done because that way, even if we get a very difficult paper in GATE, then also we will be able to cope up with that kind of situation. So I think that test series plays a very crucial role, and you should be very careful while dealing with the test series. And now I really want to thank to not only Raveen sir but to the entire team. So anytime throughout my preparation phase, whenever I feel like I'm not getting any kind of question, then as soon as I send the query, within 24 hours they will revert you back. So awesome service provided by the entire team. So once again, thanks and all the best to the future aspirants. Thank you.